Hi, let's talk about tense consistency. So here we have two sentences. Yesterday, I go to the market and buy groceries. And yesterday, I went to the market and bought groceries. Bakit mali yung nauna? Dahil ang yesterday ay nagpapakita na nangyari na yung action sa nakaraan, kaya dapat ang mga verb ay nasa past tense din. So, yung go magiging went and yung buy magiging bought. Dapat nating tandaan dito na ang adverb of time ay madalas na nagbibigay ng clue kung anong tense ang dapat gamitin sa pangungusap. For example, yesterday I went to school, that's past tense. Now I'm studying English, that's present continuous. And tomorrow I will go to school, that's future tense. Kaya kung ang adverb of time ay tomorrow, karaniwang future ang idea nung pangungusap. So, tomorrow, I will go to the market. So, ang mas accurate na rule dito, the verb tense should match the time being referred to in the sentence. Hindi lang siya laging simpleng the adverb of time will dictate the specific tense, pero sa karamihan ng basic English sentences, malaking tulong ang pagtingin sa adverb of time para malaman kung anong tense ang dapat nating gamitin. Follow for more content about English grammar.